What's the meaning of congratulatory? Congratulatory. Congratulatory.
Congratulatory. Congratulatory. The term congratulatory refers to expressing congratulations or showing pleasure at someone's success or achievement. It is often used in the context of sending messages or greetings to celebrate important events like graduations, promotions, and weddings. Congratulatory remarks can help to foster positive relationships between individuals and create a sense of community. Such expressions of joy and appreciation can bring people closer together and reinforce feelings of camaraderie and respect. Overall, the act of being congratulatory is a powerful way of acknowledging and celebrating the accomplishments of others.